Whether you're writing content for a blog post or an email, the readability of your content is an important factor. Content that's hard to read will simply not convert. You want to keep your content short and sweet. Learn how to improve the readability of your marketing content. First, what is readability? This refers to how easy your content is to read. There are various scales and techniques for measuring readability, but the most used is the Flesch-Kincaid readability scale. Generally, scores 60 or higher are considered highly readable. If you want to test the readability of the top pages that appear in search engine results, they'll likely have a high readability score. The Flesch-Kincaid readability scale and other methods look at three main factors in your content. They examine the number of sentences per paragraph, they look at the number of words per sentence, and they factor in the average characters per word. If you want a high readability score, the first place to start is with sentences per paragraph. Try to limit your paragraphs to 2 or 3 sentences. Your visitors won't enjoy reading large blocks of content. Break your content into smaller paragraphs. Next, you should consider the average number of words per sentence. Avoid runoff sentences. Don't be afraid to break a long statement into several sentences. You should aim for an average of 13 or fewer words per sentence. If you're having trouble improving the readability of a page, look for the longest sentences. Break them into smaller ones. Another way to shorten your sentences is to get rid of filler words. Remove unnecessary adjectives. You don't always need to hype your content with adjectives. Keep your sentences short, simple, and to the point. The third area is the characters per word. If you use a lot of long words, you may receive a low readability score. If you can get your content down to an average of 5 or fewer characters per word, you should be good. After testing the readability of the page, if you need to shorten some longer words, use a thesaurus. Look for synonyms that you could use. Try to find shorter words to convey the same meaning. If your content contains too many complicated words, you'll notice a sharp drop in readability. You shouldn't worry about word length as you write your content. Wait until you've finished writing and then test your content. The bottom line is that you need to keep things short. You need short paragraphs, short sentences, and short words. Test your content before publishing. Spending a few minutes to improve the readability of your page could go a long way towards improving your SEO. Readability is important for 2 primary reasons. It helps readers understand your message. It improves the user experience. And it can also help your search engine rankings. Updating existing content by improving the readability of older pages can provide a quick boost to your SEO. You can start using these suggestions today. Go through some of your older posts and test the readability. You can find programs online, WordPress plugins, or use Microsoft Word. Determine the score and then make changes using the tips provided. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then check back weekly for updated videos and lessons. You could also click the subscribe button below to get new videos as they're released.